Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can download SharePoint for your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to your preferred web browser. Mine is Chrome, and you want to click on any. So you want to, in the search option, you want to say SharePoint download, and you want to click on this link. It says download SharePoint server 2019 from show. So click on it. I'll leave this links in the description below so you can download it. It says a SharePoint server 2019. SharePoint server is designed to help achieve new levels of reliability, performance, delivering features and capabilities, simplify administration, protect communities and information. Now this section is very important. If you speak English, you would click on this. If you speak any other language, you would obviously click on the language that you speak, and you could see just take note of the size of this software. This is software used by Microsoft, so obviously it's going to be large. Yes, and here's all the system requirements. So it says Windows Server 2019, and here is the hardware and software. So we can just click on that just as a side. While that's loading, let's click on download. So it's going to give you some instructions. You're going to have to say in A or yes. But then, as you can see in the top right hand corner, it is going to say office server.img, and when that is done, you're going to have to click on it. You're going to have to run this splash.hta to launch the start page. You install the software. I already have it, so I do not need to download it. And then once that is sorted, you can install the SharePoint server to launch Microsoft SharePoint, the 2019 setup, and you need to enter a product key. There's many ways to get a product key. Obviously, you can buy it on the Microsoft website, but let's look at all the hardware and software requirements. Yes, so you can look here at 1 gig RAM. So this is a single server. This is for servers, so usually servers are strong in terms of their hardware and software. You can see there's 16 gig, 64-bit, and you can have a look at that. Software requirements, key, operating server, so forth. So yeah, so this is how I installed it. So thank you for watching.